and seek, are you?
Oh!
Well, I know the best place to hide in the entire farm.
I found you! Lola is behind the tree!
Oh.
Pepe! Bataraza the chicken!
No, Duckling! Don't tell me where she is! I have to find her without any help!
But Pepe...
Bartolito is inside that box!
No, I'm little Chick Cheep.
Come on, Bartolito! I found you! Now where did that woodpecker go? There you are!
Pepe, listen to me! Bataraza the chicken!
I already told you that you can't tell me where she is! There you are, woodpecker! I found you, woodpecker!
Pepe!
She's not here! She's not there either!
Come on, Pepe, you lost. You couldn't find Bataraza.
Oh, fine, I lost!
Bataraza! You won!
Yeah, the winner is Bartaraza!
Bataraza!
Pepe the wolf took Bataraza!
Oh, good. Then just tell her that. What?
Why didn't you tell me earlier,
But
Duckling?
I tried to!
Well, where are they now? It's Bartaraza! We have to do something!
Leave it to me. That wolf will regret it.
But the wolf, he has a really big mouth! And it's full of sharp teeth!
I better go later.
But the wolf is gonna eat Bataraza! You'll be in trouble when Santa comes, you bad wolf!
That is right. Let's go call Zenon.
Yes! Only Zenon can help us out here!
But Zenon is gone!
Let's think of something. But I can't think of anything. Wait, why are you all looking at me?
Here comes Zenon! That evil wolf will get what he deserves!
I should probably go.
Thank you, my friends. You saved me.
It's a good thing that pesky wolf left. If not, he would have had to deal with it.